So I'm Lynn Miller. I'm over the welding program at CTEC.
I'm Peyton Birch. I'm a senior at Helena High School, and I am in the welding program here at CTEC.
We train people to go to work in the welding industry. We teach all the processes of welding. Some we don't go into real depth on because of time constraints, but we try to get everybody ready to go to work. Most everybody that comes through our program that wants a job, we're able to get them a job.
Miller he's awesome. He really prioritizes safety, and he's really good at pinpointing what you need to work on with your welds and what you can improve on.
Right out of our class, many of them are ready to go get a job that will pay $20+ an hour. Lots of them are still helpers, still gonna be helpers for a while, need some more on-the-job training. They may start out in the $10 to $12 an hour range.
I chose welding because I knew it was something very practical to learn, and that there were a lot of job opportunities in a lot of different ways that welding could be used.
Somewhere between 250 and 500,000 welder shortage worldwide right now. There's a huge demand. We don't know how long it'll last, but right now there is a huge demand. Companies are willing to hire people and train them to do what they need to do and pay them good wages while they're training, just because there's such a demand. And it's in every industry: the iron workers, the millwrights, fab shops, machine shops, and then it goes on up into the, once you get some experience, into the inspections and so forth.
I consider the CTEC welding program kind of a stepping stone into something bigger, because welding is a massive industry. There's so many different types and forms, and Miller does a great job setting you up to where if you want to go and learn more, like I do, you can, and you're ready to do that.
We have several students who take this class, and they're planning on going to college to be an engineer or something along those lines. But everybody needs a trade. Everybody needs a skill to fall back on.
I'd say this class is the main thing it did. It really has helped me start out, but the other thing it really did was spark that interest and keep that interest going, because I really do enjoy welding.
We're looking forward, anyone who's interested, we look forward to seeing you, and would like to have you as a welding student.